Spain is turning into a desert. This tree can save it. The Iberian Peninsula is facing the worst climate crisis in Europe, up to 20% less rainfall and 5 degrees Celsius hotter by 2100. Century-old olive groves are dying, aquifers are dropping 3 meters annually, and ground temperatures are hitting 113 degrees Fahrenheit. BES has something that can reverse this climate disaster. It's not what you think. It's about creating what scientists call a biotic pump that literally brings rain back to Spain. We're going to show you how one tree species can restore the Iberian Peninsula's broken water cycle and why this can be the biggest climate intervention in European history for the Iberian Peninsula. Level 1, the climate catastrophe nobody's talking about. Here's what's really happening in Spain right now. The crisis. Ground temperatures 113 degrees Fahrenheit plus in summer. Atlantic moisture passes over baked, treeless soil. Aquifers dropping 2 to 3 meters every year. Century-old olive groves dying from heat stress. 20% rainfall reduction by 2100. Why traditional solutions fail. Everyone's planting trees for carbon credits. More trees equals more competition for scarce water. Dense plantations create heat islands. Wrong approach makes the problem worse. The real issue. The Iberian Peninsula's moisture cycle is broken. Deforestation destroyed what scientists call the biotic pump, the natural system that pulls moisture from the Atlantic and creates local rainfall. The revelation. Spain wasn't always this dry. Strategic reforestation can restore the water cycle, but only with the right trees at the right density. Level 2, the Guardian Framework Solution. Enter the Paulownia tree-air-moisture web strategy. How it actually works. 300 trees per acre, not 1,000 plus like traditional plantations. 5 to 7 year harvest cycles, not 2 years for biomass. Cooperative shade ecosystem versus competitive biomass race. Deep taproots reach aquifers, create water channels. The science behind the magic. Biotic pump effect. 15 to 20 meter canopies release water vapor, pulling Atlantic moisture inland. Hydraulic lift. Trees draw deep water at night, release it to topsoil during day. Macropore flow. Root channels allow stormwater to recharge aquifers directly. Temperature control. 10 degrees Celsius ground temperature reduction prevents flash evaporation. Real results. Soil stays moist longer. Surrounding native vegetation survives summer heat. Local rainfall patterns begin to restore. Aquifer recharge instead of depletion. Level 3, the economic and environmental win. This isn't just about climate, it's about saving Spain's agricultural economy. Multiple benefits. Climate restoration. Brings back natural rainfall patterns. Agricultural support. Keeps olive groves and vineyards alive. Economic returns. Carbon credits plus premium timber revenue. Biodiversity recovery. Native ecosystems thrive in cooler microclimates. The numbers. 10 degrees Celsius temperature reduction in planted areas. 30 to 40% increase in soil moisture retention. Enhanced evapotranspiration pulls moisture from Atlantic. Restoration of regional water cycle. Why Paulownia works. Massive canopies act as natural air conditioners. Deep roots don't compete with surface crops. Fast growth creates climate benefits quickly. Coppicing ability equals permanent infrastructure. The bigger picture. Instead of fighting climate change, we're working with natural systems to restore the climate that existed before deforestation. Level 4, the path forward. This can be the blueprint for climate restoration across Mediterranean Europe. The strategy. Target degraded agricultural areas first. Create moisture corridors from coast to interior. Support existing agriculture instead of replacing it. Generate revenue to fund expansion. Who needs this? Spanish and Portuguese farmers facing crop failure. European governments meeting climate targets, investors seeking climate adaptation opportunities, anyone concerned about Europe's water crisis. The timeline: immediate, temperature and moisture benefits. 5 to 7 years, first timber harvest plus full climate impact. 10 to 15 years, regional rainfall pattern restoration. 20 plus years, permanent climate resilience. How to get involved: land restoration partnerships, climate adaptation investments, agricultural support programs, technical implementation consulting. Now it's your turn. The Iberian Peninsula's climate crisis has a solution, but it requires thinking beyond traditional reforestation. We need to restore the natural systems that create rain, not just plant trees that compete for water. The Guardian framework can save Spain's agriculture while demonstrating how to reverse climate change through strategic ecosystem restoration. If you're working on climate adaptation or reforestation projects, subscribe for more frameworks that actually work. This isn't just about Spain, it's about restoring broken water cycles worldwide. Tag someone working in climate adaptation, agriculture, or Mediterranean restoration. The biotic pump revolution starts now. What do you think? Can strategic tree planting really bring rain back to Spain? Drop your thoughts below.